Morning. Morning, guys. You guys are having a good morning. Give me about 30 seconds here. I'm trying to set up a couple of things. PRC. Let me look at that. TRC. Yeah. Oh, that's a big drop. You guys hear me well? No issue at all? Just let me know, please. Having according to this YouTube thing here, I got no live streams going on. So I really want to make sure that you guys can see me. This is weird. According to YouTube, I got no live streams going on. Seems like let's see here. Well, that's kind of weird. Anyway, I don't know why I can't see streams here. It's got to be something different. There's got to be an issue with the settings or whatever it is. I'm not going to be focusing on that kind of stuff anyway. It's just that issue with that is that I can't really ride anything on the live stream on YouTube because according to the YouTube thing, I got no live streams going on. Anyway, AMRN, ACST, AGRX, PSTV. I also have FTCH and JCPenney. JCPenney is not my cup of tea though. I wouldn't say that I'm gonna be paying attention to it too much. I'm not gonna be dealing with this stuff. It's really giving me a hard time, man. I don't have time for this. Good morning, you just saying. Yeah, we're actually doing pretty good. Yeah. For all of you guys, my apologies. I really can't see somebody writing on the YouTube thing. Today I don't have access to the settings of the live stream on YouTube. So if somebody writes something, I hope I don't know how we'll know, but anyway, I don't have access to it as of right now. According to the YouTube platform, I got nothing, no live streams going on. Once again, good morning to everyone. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the settings on the YouTube live stream today. So if somebody writing something, I cannot really see it, unfortunately. I'm gonna be paying attention to the AMRN here, $23 resistance. It's probably gonna pull back right out of the open. Also gonna be watching and paying attention to the scanners. Oh, great. Oh, you know what? Let me just try to pop on my own. Yeah. Okay, hold on. I have an idea. I'm gonna open a window in the other computer to see what people writing on the YouTube thing. So that halfway, I have a computer seeing what they writing. I just won't have access to write anything there. Um, but let me do that. Give me 30 seconds so that way I can see what people are writing. And hi to the people saying hi and good morning. Thank you guys. One minute 16 seconds. Oh, look at that! It just broke $23 resistance on the pre-market hours. I'm gonna be watching here right out of the open. I don't want to take my punches right away. I really don't want to jump in on the front side of the move here. PSTV. Okay, watching AMRN. 5 seconds to the open. Good luck, everyone. Hope all of you have a good day today. Let's see here. Okay, watching AMRN. 2350. Watching that level, level 2. Watching level 2 here. Okay, so I'm printing 2360. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, I had I had my order ready. Didn't have the time to send it over. Wanted to get in on the break at 2350. Popped too quick for me. Looking for a micro pullback. Okay, towards the 24. Micro pullback right here. There you go. Man, that's actually a big pullback. What a range. Okay, stepping out of the first trade that I took here with a loss. I was looking for a test of the $24 in the first micro pullback on the first 1 minute candle. Shout out with a starting the day with a loss here on AMRN. Okay, watching the follow-up move. But I wouldn't be surprised. The S&P 500 had a massive flush right here in the first candle right out of the open. Just this thing moved with the market. But after that plunge, the clear entry and the best one would have been 2350 break. As I had the idea, but unfortunately moved too quickly. Left me out. Okay, let's see 2345 here some point. Waiting for that second 1 minute candle to close. CLBS printing red. ACST as well. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do here. Yeah, at the same time, I kind of should have seen this thing. It's a little overextended though. But it doesn't mean that there was no possibility that I can go higher. I guess my trade, I was wrong in that trade looking for the 24 test. Yeah, 2350 breakout was actually the best entry, but very unfortunate that didn't really work out. Watching the view app, 2313 resistance here. Things like so right now there's no turning back. Either short would have been a good option, but today my mind was not into the short on this thing. I got caught on the opposite side of the trade. 2229. For some reason, I have a trend line on. I can't remember why I have that trend line. I'm looking at it right now, and he bounced off of that trend line. Why did I have the trend line on? I had a trend line on $22.29 with a low of 22.28, bouncing off of that level. I'm guessing I have some kind of. Oh yeah, it was right here. Resistance. This is not it. I want to know why it's bouncing off of there. That was a resistance here back in July. So it's bouncing off the resistance that we had in July, $23.29, becoming support now. As a advice here, I would tell you not to go long for now. The trend is still bearish though. There's no reversal as of right now, not yet. Holding tight. Okay, trying to hold on. See if we can get on top of the view app here. I'm not going to take any kind of trades trying to anticipate the move. Yeah, let's see under the view app here. Under the 50 on the 1. 50 sitting 2282. CLBS moving higher this morning. For those of you that are looking for a cheaper option, making new highs and moving okay, CLVS. As a matter of fact, I guess it will be a good idea to go back to CLVS. View app 2309. There's a lot of selling here, 2309. You're really trying to hold it tight around there. Yeah, I'm not, I'm not too comfortable with this stock for another long trade. Screw me. So they're really trying to hold it tight. 2309. That's around the view app. I'm not convinced that this trend is going to reverse. And I don't feel comfortable taking a long trade. I see a little bit of buying here. But, short sellers are really trying to keep it tight over here under the view app. So I'm really not comfortable with this trade. Especially with this range right out of the open. Okay, watching 2284, 50 simple moving average on the 1. It's going on a range in between the view app and the moving averages here. To be honest, I'm not too comfortable taking a long trade. Yeah, I got jacked in the long trade in the first micro pullback on the 1 minute time frame candle. Missed the entry on 2350. There's a lot of selling here. At level 2, there's a lot of red going through. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable taking a long trade here in this stock. As a matter of fact, I think we can test 2177 based on the 15-minute time frame trade. A lot of indecision here. Okay, I see AGRX popping up. AGRX. AGRX is bouncing. Be careful with that. The pre-market hours is just had a massive flush. But I'm watching AGRX. I'm done with AMRN. Screw me right out of the open. Okay, watching AGRX. High of the prior 1 minute candle, 190. It's too close to the $2 range. Gotta look at the daily. Top of that, we have a high at 248. Okay, out of the daily chart, we could get over the $2 mark. It's a 50-cent range though. On that one, I'm interested now. I'm going to be watching it. We have a decent range. Watch it over the $2 mark. That's for a long trade. We get see a little bit of selling at 187, 60,000 share seller at 187, 185, another 7,000. We got about 10,000 share seller around 185, and we have 15,000 share. Well, actually 16, almost 16,000 share seller 187. Probably have a reversal right here. Watching the low of the candle here, 185. 185, low of that candle 185, watching that level here. For the long trade, has to get over the $2 mark. See a lot of selling though. People sitting on that bid here. 187. Looking for that reversal, low 185. Shooting star in the 5-minute time frame with about 2 minutes to close on the 5. That candle has 2 more minutes to close, printing a small pennant on the 1-minute time frame. $185, under 185. You can see 18,000, 12,000, and 8,000 sitting at 185. The bid stacking at 185. If we break under that, we might end up flushing through. Shooting star on the 5. Under 185. Watching, you guys are watching arrows. JAGX today, after it went back up to 119 the other day, Sleepy Heels will be talking about this. Now today, 69 cents. 69 cents. I'm hoping that none of you guys are holding that bag. Watching that level 2 on 185 on the AGRX. 185 AGRX. Wow, look at that massive flush on CLVS. Pretty sure a lot of people got screwed over there. $185 is taking its time here on the AGRX. Overall trend on AMRN still bearish. And you got me screwing that one. There's a reason why I like shorting stocks. Swear to God. Missed that entry. Popped too quick on me. When I'm married. I'm not marrying that trade. I'm gonna let that one go because I don't want to get upset about something that already happened. It's water under the bridge. Gotta go for the next one. Can't let it hit you in the head. Otherwise you'll be screwed. You can't focus well. You're still thinking about a loss from another trade. Watching this little consolidation on the AGRX. I'm looking for a breakdown under 185. Hope you guys are not holding any bags this morning like JAGX. Sleepy Heels, if you're on the live stream, I hope you don't get offended. So I'm not talking about anybody specifically, but I'm talking about JAGX, the stock. See what else is dropping here while I keep an eye on AGRX. Mondelez. I don't want to get into the short here. Kind of high price name, 52.56. Pretty decent downtrend, but I'm not gonna get into it. Probably about to bounce now with an indecision candle in the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, dropping the way that I like to see them. I only have 5 stocks. Gotta give it a little bit more time. What else is popping up? High price name and low price name. Low price I do between 2 and 20. High price I go between 20 and all the way to $100. Healthcare sector, Moderna, mRNA. You know what? Forget about it. Never mind. That trend is not. It's not the greatest. Oh, I got filled. Oh, I didn't even know. I gotta stop order. Limit stop order. Or stop limit order. On 184 on AGRX. Let's see how far we're gonna go here. Hopefully he doesn't want to play with me today. It seems like a little bit tricky today. Starting my day with on the red on AMRN. It's taking its time, getting a little bit of support around 180. $10,000 shares sell at 185, but I don't really think we're gonna go back there right away. Looking a little bit of selling here, printing lower numbers on AGRX. Couple of 175s. Watching level 2, stock 177, some 170s. There you go. Keep on. Oh, there you go. There you go. Patience. You know, AMRN, this is the reason why I told you right since the beginning I didn't want to throw my punch right away. I got screwed. First, because it popped too quickly. I missed the entry over 2350. Second, I chased it. Looking for the first micro pullback on the 1 minute, and it did pop. But I was hoping that we were going to test at least close to $24 area. Went to 23.85 and pulled back from there, and the pullback was too fast. So it got me on the opposite side of the trade on that one. I wasn't wrong 100%, but I wasn't able to do what I wanted to, which is the same thing as being wrong. When you're wrong, you're wrong. Overall trend still bearish. AGRX towards the VWAP. So VWAP sitting towards the VWAP. 173. Okay, we're getting a little bit of support here. Looking for that bear flag formation. 176. Looking for the bear flag formation. 1 minute time frame. 176 support. Looking for the breakdown on the 176 support on a bear flag formation on a GRX 1 minute time frame. And looking for the test of that view app. 176 breakdown. 176 breakdown. There you go. There you go. Then we're gonna go. Then we're gonna go. Taking its time. There you go. Keep on hitting that. Gonna take some. There you have it. 173. Tested the 100. Took something out here. Tap 170. Right at the 100 simple moving average. If you look at here, I want to show you something real quick. Hope you guys are paying attention to this. Where is it? Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't have much time for this. Wanted to show you the small pennant here on the 1 minute that this thing had. Come on, it's not like that. There you go. Man, it's my, I like, here's the thing. I have discovered myself when being patient for me and really looking at that trade as kind of focusing, honing, like going all in on my mind gets me really, really focused. There's a reason why for me, I don't try to be in the front side of the trade because oftentimes it doesn't work out. It moves too quickly, leaves you out. You got to chase the stock, and a perfect example of what happened on AMRN here, right out of the open. Right, it's working out so okay. Hoping that just holding some as of right now, 1/3. Hoping we can break on the 170, which is where we tap that little resistance around the 100 simple moving average on the 1 minute time frame. Watching level 2, a lot of 170s on level 2. Reading that tape though, massive pullback on the S&P, right out of the open. Right now, we just kind of consolidating on the S&P. I don't know why we pull back this way. We know there's a lot of talks about China and all that kind of stuff. There's closed door thing going on today with the impeachment hearings as well. So there's a lot of things that could be happening. Okay, we can see here the 50 simple moving average being tapped on the 5 minutes, but I'm focusing more on the 1 minute time frame and the 100 simple moving average as of right now. You can see it there, 170 support. Hoping we can, well, hope is not a strategy, but watching this tape here, trying to get 169 prints on the level 2. Let's see if we can get under that. Looking for people trying to sell here. This little bit of consolidation. The first consolidation worked out okay on AGRX, right out of the pennant formation on the 1 minute time frame that you can see there on the main screen. We printed 170s. Wanna see 169s? Okay, we got a 10,000 share seller 170 right here. Okay, a little bit of selling coming through. Get filled the next pop. Gonna get covered into weakness. I wanna get covered in the next pop. I mean, not the next pop, and the next flush. I mean, next pop. Come on, guys. Push it down a little bit here. I'm just asking for a little favor. It's not too much to ask. That guy got filled. I saw that order went through, but there's a 13,000 share buyer here at 171. Just went through on the level 2. But that guy with the 10,000 share seller went through. I saw that order went through here. Getting support around the 100. A little bit of consolidation. I'm hoping, again, hope is not a strategy, but I'm thinking we are not going to hold. I see another 10,000 shares sitting 171. Seller of 10,971. Let's see. Tap 171. That person's going to get filled here. Looking for that little flush. 5 minute time frame. Doji. If you guys like the stream, a like and a subscription of the channel if you're not subscribed is greatly appreciated. Again, that's in case you like the information. Okay, somebody sitting 172. I see a little bit of pressure here. 10,000, 13,000. Okay, had a little pop here. Getting resistance on the 100 simple moving average on the 5 minutes. We have 2 minutes to close this 5 minute candle. We got that support on the 50, on the 100 simple moving average on the 1 minute time frame. Come on here, come on here. All right, let's see here. Come to pop at 174, 10,000 shares, sell 174. See if this guy gets filled. Push the price of stock down a little bit. Not holding a lot as of right now. After what happened with AMRN, I want to make sure that I don't get screwed today. Okay, it's the first thing you said is not to read it now. Yeah, well, I appreciate that. Give me 30 seconds here. I'm just trying to kind of like see. I'm gonna kind of take a peek of whatever you're writing in there. And any of you guys hear me answering questions and stuff, or maybe comments that you don't see on the chat box on YouTube? That's because we're using the free chat box on traderscomly.com. Again, keyword here, free chat box on traderscomly.com. Reminder for all of you guys, in the month of December, I'm gonna run a giveaway on a Lenovo laptop. I don't know if you guys like the laptops or not, but for me, trading on the laptop is very convenient because you can travel with it, not have one of those PC that you have to bring the whole thing with monitors and everything. If you know your stuff, you can move around Okay, we're bouncing a little bit here. How much more do we have? About 5 more seconds to closing this candle. So a laptop is what I'm thinking that will be more convenient for you guys to upgrade or to add into your trading setup. So in the month of December, we're gonna be giving out doing a little giveaway because of the holidays and stuff of a Lenovo computer. And the reason why I choose Lenovo is because you can customize them very well. I like them. Those are the ones that I use for my trading. It comes to RAM and memories and all that kind of stuff and the speed. They work out very well. So I honestly do recommend Lenovo. And I'm not gonna be asking you guys to do something out of the world. In order for you to participate, the only thing is to subscribe to the channel, tag two friends on social media, whichever social media channels you prefer that you want to do that at, and also share on traderscolony.com. Well, that's gonna be for the month of December, not now, and I'll let you know, guys, when we're gonna be starting that stuff. And I apologize if this kind of little comment here caused any type of problems for you if you don't feel too comfortable hearing me talking about me giving away a computer. Okay, let me see here. It's taking a little bit of time, but I'm patient. Don't read it now. I learned you how to do this. Great. Well, I'm glad you're learning, Justine. Oh, thank you for letting me know that. Um, so what you're gonna do with that is tag myself and two of your friends. So that way I can see that you tag the two friends because that's gonna come as a notification into my social media account. So you're gonna tag two friends and then you're gonna tag me as well. So that way I can see the people that are actually tagging their friends because that's gonna come as a notification on my phone or my social media platforms as well. So I'm gonna be notified when you do that. Coming down 170, a lot of selling, 16,000 shares, about 20,000 share altogether, almost, and 170 here. 170, remember, is when the 100 simple moving average is sitting on the 1 minute time frame, pretty close to the 50 on the 5. Follow through. Looking at the 15-minute time frame here, we still have a little bit of time to go on this 15-minute candle. We have a decent range all the way down to $1.58. I just want the next flush, and that's it. I'm gonna walk out of this thing. I don't want to hold too much. Come on, guys, give it to me. Just a favor. It's Friday. It's the weekend. Let me go home and be happy about it. I mean, I'm actually home, but I'm just making a joke. I'm sorry. My jokes are like kind of like the grandpa jokes. Nobody laughs at it. I see you, Marin. You screw me pretty hard. Bouncing off of the 50 simple moving average on the 5. But then rejecting the view app once again. Marin, the one that got away. AIH. Oh, it's halted. Let me see that. AIHS. It was halted, I guess. You sure it was halted? Doesn't look like it in the shot. Maybe I can be wrong. Anyway, come on. Come on, AGRX. Don't be a bad boy. Man, you getting me. I'm gonna slap you in the face. Oh, yeah. I see it. 223% up today. That thing, what? AIHS. What are the news that one? Anybody research the news on that one? Okay, we're going sideways here. Look at this thing here. Let me just try to give you something. Because when we break, we're probably gonna go. When we trading inside of this thing here, what's the high of this candle? 174. By 1 penny. Come down a little bit. It's that internal trend line because we have a doji. There you have it. Just going sideways there between the moving averages, support and resistance here. It doesn't want to break. Eventually it will. That's the thing. This happen, it takes a little bit of time, so you gotta be patient. I didn't want to be holding all this time. Anything else moving? Okay, CLVS is running towards the view app. Okay, so CLVS running towards the view app. Let me see if how the view app is going to reject. If it's going to reject at all. Keep an eye on this thing here, CLVS. Okay, oh, that's right. Yeah, you did write about it when I see that 171.30 on Buddy that you got a nice profit on Roku. Was it Roku, right? Yeah. Yeah, I was left behind. Arrows was bouncing. Buddy, I know that you were looking at it this morning. And I'm still waiting for AGRX here. Are you serious? Okay, I'll take a look at it. Yeah, for some reason. Ah, okay, there you go. So PSTV sounds really familiar. I had it in the secondary window. Yeah. Mm, that flag could be a bearish flag though. Under the 100 was 100. 291. The low of the prior 5-minute candle was 290. See if we can get under that. Coming down to 170 here, AGRX. Are we probably gonna go? Or are you gonna make me wait longer for you? Bear flag formation on PSTV. Oh, XNet. Yeah. Well, Chinese companies are surprisingly very manipulated. We trading under the 170 here. Let's see if we're gonna just go right away. Looking for that little flush. I don't want to take too long. I don't want too much, AGRX. You can give me something, I'll take it. I'll run with it. Don't worry about it. You don't have to flush too far away. What's the open here? Open of the 15. Open of the 15. Come on, come on. 165. 165. Okay, 165. Open of the 15. Okay. 165. 24,000 shares. So 165. Tap that was 65. 27,000 shares. Sell at 165. 165 is the same spot with it. 15-minute candle open. Okay, let's see here. I think I'll take what I have and I'll go with it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. GRX, you can go home now. Okay, PSTV. That was a pretty interesting bear flag formation here. How far are we gonna go? PSTV. PSTV. Yeah, that was a pretty decent bear flag formation though. On the 5. Yeah, I see it coming to the higher days again. AIHS, right? AIHS, yes. No problem, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Catch you a little later. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, AGRX got it right back up in the PSTV. Pretty decent bear flag formation here on the 5 minute time frame. Right here. PCG. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I noticed that you sent me something on Instagram. Wow, look at that. Would have thought? Who would have thought? Oh, look at that thing. Well, there you have the entry there on that little micro pullback. Let's see if it's gonna keep on running because it's a little bit still the higher day right now with $7.36. I don't know if you got in. So you gotta be careful here. A little bit of indecision here in the 5 minute time frame, though. What's the next level here? 757. 778, 820. Okay, 739. A little bit of buying pressure here. don't see a lot of selling. Yeah, expecting this to get close to the 750 area. I can see somebody sitting with a 13,000 shares seller, 746. Well, that guy got filled. There's a lot of buying power here. Expecting a little bit of resistance around the 750. We got a 753 on the daily. That's a pretty decent move, though. Well, that's a pretty decent move, to be honest. Right here's a shooting star in the one. Guess I'm pretty close to 750. We got a 748 high over there. 749 high a day. Yeah, exactly. Decision count on the 5 minutes. That pullback here, huh? Yeah, that's what I expect. We got a 753 on the daily. So I expect the 750 was going to be the area where we're going to have a little bit of resistance. You got that 749. Yeah, I see. AIH, whatever. Yeah. Very volatile today. What's the news on this thing? Let me see if I can read what's going on. Just resumed popping like crazy. Yeah, I got hold it a couple of times. See if we can get to 750 and push over that 750 area. Still a little bit of indecision around here. And I want to see OSPN flush on that gap on the daily. Try to see if I can get a short into that thing intraday while it just drops. Again, that's OSPN. Wow, look at MDR, 59 cents on this thing. Total mess. And Pinterest has a decent gap on the daily though. I've been waiting for Pinterest for a couple of days now on the daily. It's gonna drop a little more. Guys, I'm gonna take a step away from the computer. So I'm gonna finish the stream here now. I'm gonna go downstairs to get something real quick, and I'm just gonna step away with what I got on AGRX. You do know that I got a slap in my face on AMRN this morning. I pretty much got it back on AGRX, but it is what it is. Nice reversal here on PCG on that doji. But I'm gonna take a step back from the live stream. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day here, and I will see you guys around. I'm gonna be making. What do you mean about timing? Like you stepping away too? That's a nice reversal here. Oh, I see. Yeah, you say you're gonna head out. Yeah, I see it there. I see that. Yeah, I didn't notice right away. So I'll see you later, man. I'll be posting the video a little bit later about what happened on AMRN and then the trade on AGRX. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend too. Not see you guys around later. For all of you guys in the stream, see you guys later. Enjoy your weekend.